Hi, welcome back to Coding Casually, and today we are doing a data visualization sessions. So this video will be the part of many other videos who will directly be focused about how to do data visualization using Python, and we will use different modules and we will try to have solutions for different practical problems. So these videos will be quite short and we will be hopping to the latest one, and basically the first one, and this has to do with Bokeh as a module. So if you don't have Python data visualization module into, what you can simply do is you can do a pip install and then Bokeh and then install all the stuff. So the moment you are done with that, we can hop on to Jupyter Notebook and we can start writing on the first one. And if you don't know how to start a notebook, what you can do is, this is how the Jupyter Notebook will open on your system. You press new, you press Python 3, and this will give you a new notebook. So what you need to do is, the moment you have Bokeh data visualization module installed, you can write from Bokeh, which is Bokeh plotting import. So from Bokeh plotting, what we will import? We will import figure, we will import output notebook, and then we will import show. So I will tell you about each of what we have instantiated. So what we'll do is output, this is something which is this one only, you can simply copy it from here and then we will paste here. So we need an output notebook. So what we'll do is we'll give we can give a name to the figure that we would be doing, like fig equals to, we can write figure and then we can write plot width, and then you can give 500 and then you can write plot as height. So plot height can also be 500. So width and the height. Now what we need to do is we need to write one more thing. So we will create a circle plot. We will write dot circle and then we will give this a list. For the time being I'm writing list 1 and then list 2, and then we have to define the size of the dots that we want. So we want 5 as a dot, or probably 3, we can also go with 3, and then we have to define the color. So we can give it red, I'm sure that would work, and then we will define alpha and that will be 0.5. and what we need to do is we need to show the speed rate. So if you would do enter, it would not work properly because list 1 and list 2 are not defined. We will write list 1 will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, and then we can copy paste, we can write it 2, and then we can change these elements to different ones like 6 7 8 9 and 10, and the moment I'll press shift enter, you will see a plot is ready. Just because the dots are quite less, you might not be able to see. Let's increase the dot size. Now you can see these are the dots. Even if this is not clear, you can write this and then you can see these are the dots. You can change the color here and then this will change. We can use an Excel workbook or CSV to read and then represent the data in such visualization in Python. And for this one, for the part 1 of the series, we have used Bokeh. We will try to use a different module next time, and we will try to have a different chart next time. Thank you for hanging out. If you have any of suggestions, you can simply comment on the video and share with people who want to get into data visualization. And thank you for watching.